red scar in the morning. Shepherd's morning, eh? We are also doing well this end.
Yeah, we're doing very good here. We're doing so good. So this morning when we came out into the park, we passed about 20 elephants off the side of the road, but they were just a little bit too far away to get any kind of close interaction with them. And then we've come into the park, and maybe 15 minutes later we've come across another herd of elephants. So there was probably 15 of them there, and some very young elephants were there. And they decided to try and do a mini charge against the van. They were acting all tough, but oh geez, that was amazing. And now we've just heard the roar from a lion in the distance, but they can be up to 3 kilometers away. You can hear them from that far, so we'll see. But good morning so far.
In the tree? Oh man. Holy shit. Can you go forward a little bit, John? Just. Oh, he's. Yeah. Back, John. Wait. John! No, John! Go back! Oh, no. Oh, here? So James and I have just finished the lion tracking experience, and safe to say, it was indescribable. So Uganda is home to the only lion family in the world that dwell in the trees. Like, you find them in other parts of the world, they might go up a little bit, but here it's very common for them to go into the trees to rest and enjoy their day. And with our tracker, we were able to go off the road and basically take a look at these lions. And we found one in the open, just in the savannah, and then we found 3 that were sitting up in the cactus trees, just resting. And it was the most amazing experience. It literally was just mind-blowing. Oh, unreal.
Thank you.
What's going on, lad?
Oh, it's hard to explain. It's such overwhelming, but basically we ran into a ranger that John, our guide, knew, and he gave us a very bespoke experience where we went off the track, which we're not supposed to do, and we came across firstly a lioness on the ground, and then we came round further and we saw the lions sitting in the trees. Unbelievable. 6 feet away, we were standing in the top of our van, and they were just sitting there, enjoying themselves, relaxing. Then the mood changed a little bit. They started to get a little bit agitated, and it was time to move on. But we are absolutely blown away. It's just incredible what we've been able to do. And we had to tell a couple of porkies to some of the other Zungu tourists who are coming along and say that we hadn't seen anything. Feel very, very lucky, very blessed.
How's it? are here in Ishasha, which is south of Queen Elizabeth National Park. But this is also home to the lions that dwell in the trees. These guys are actually probably more famous than the ones just north of here. We've had our lunch. We have a security guard with us because we are very close to the Congolese border, DRC, and unfortunately last week tourists were kidnapped from the same area, but they've been released and they have not been harmed, but just to be safe they have given us a guard, and we are 200 meters away from a tree that have lions in them. So looking forward to it, lad.
Have you seen them?
They said that they we haven't seen them.
4 in there, they said.
But you have not yet sighted them?
No, we don't want to see them till we get close, okay?
Ah, okay. That's
We choose not to see them.
oh, that's a good
See me no more.
See me no more.
Okay. I get you.
See me tomorrow, lad.
And Captain Zero.
Yes.
Can I take a photo?
Thank you. So we have had the best day ever. That we've actually cut it short because we didn't think we could do any better whatsoever. So we have driven obviously down from Queen Elizabeth National Park down to Ishasha, which is the southern part, and we have now arrived at the Ishasha Safari Park. So come inside and take a look, eh? This whole this whole complex is powered by solar power, which is amazing, and it's right in the middle of the woods. They say that the security come around with a gun and shoot off a few bullets every night to scare off some of the wildlife, so they don't destroy all the vegetation here in the hotel complex. So here we have the beds. We got the beds here, mosquito nets. Then we've got these lovely high ceilings, all made from wood. It looks like, and it all looks like the roofs have been weaved into some sort of thatch. We've got a view. The view here is honestly to die for. How's it? Then
We have the door.
we have the door. What's behind lucky number 1?
Yes. How's it?
Fucking hell.
Oh, yes.
We've got this beautiful bathroom
With the toilet.
and an amazing shower. Sick, okay. This isn't working. Try this again. Okay. Managed to can do it. Right.
Oh no. Station. Forgot my flip flops. Right, hold on. Round 2. Yes. Okay. Managed to do it after 17 attempts. Anyway, gonna head over, get a little bit of Wi-Fi. There's a baboon here in the woods, and 2 baboons, many baboons, bit of Wi-Fi, and then have dinner. That's probably about it for the rest of the night. Might peace out after that, and then a huge couple days ahead. Woo.
What's cracking, son?
How's it, my son? How are you? Good internet?
Yep.
Ooh, emails? Emails?
Yeah, I was checking some emails and cack.
Right, nice.
What are you up to?
Nothing, I just left the room. They want the key for the... At 5 o'clock they do the thing, right?
Yes.
There you go.
Okay.
Easy. Easy. How's it, China?
Little tiny moth, eh?
Beautiful.
I've never seen a yellow moth before.
No.
Only
What neat.
brown moth. Huh?
Fuck yeah. The Niles are firing. Dusty's editing. Yeah. Why is it on blue? Lid? You have a screen protector?
No.
Why are you
How's
lying? So what we got here are local nuts that they call G nuts, and they're absolutely delicious. I think they're just normal peanuts that you'd get, the classic ones. But ooh, spill. Ooh, they've been roasted. And they're warm. Whoa. Yeah. Delicious. Oh my god, they're unreal. Oh my god. They're amazing. With a Nile as well. Would you be well? Not after sick, love. Yes, please. The birds? Weaver birds. We love a good weaver bird, don't we? What are we working with? Ah, not a hole in the ground. How good's this lighting? This is so cool. And it's a bloody Jax. It's the coolest Jax ever. Wow. Peace out, son. Thank you. Oh, this is so hot.
It's very hot. Sure. Very hot. But I love it.
Some of these big breath. Oh my god.
Let me take a sip of beer.
Yeah. My face is sweating.
Good. Great.
Yeah.
Good thing to study.